Today is a good day for 3 reasons. Number 1, I just finished up my morning climb, 3 minutes faster than I did on my previous one, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Number 2, I've been working my ass off for the past like 6 or 7 weeks, getting my new book ready for you, Peak Performance Past 30, and I'm super excited because today it's finally done, it's finally ready for you, and it's on sale on Amazon right now. And I created this book for people that want to learn how to lead a more meaningful, healthy-minded, and physically fit lifestyle. And number three, Montanans, listen up especially, this is really important. You know that over the past summer, that the Sperry Chalet in Glacier National Park burnt down from all those crazy wildfires. Well, we're gonna do something really cool. I've partnered with Glacier Park Conservancy, the company responsible for rebuilding the chalet, and I'm gonna donate 100% of all Amazon book sales from now, this minute, until March 21st, directly to the fund to help rebuild the chalet. And I want you to be a part of it too. All you gotta do right now is go to Amazon.com, type in Peak Performance Past 30, get the book. 100% of your money is gonna go to helping rebuild the Sperry Chalet in Glacier National Park. I'm also gonna put the link in the description box. If you think that somebody would benefit and want to be a part of this as well, share this video out, get this message out there. Let's do everything that we can to help be a part of the legacy to help rebuild the Sperry Chalet right now. Ready, set, go.